Today we came to talk about two stocks that you may want to invest in now, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, these stocks are headed to the moon, literally. So stick around, we're going to talk about it. But before we do so, do not forget to consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Also, can you please leave a thumbs up, aka a like here on today's video? It really does help the channel grow. So with no further ado,
welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Let's start the show.
First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is no other than LUNR. And like I said in the beginning of this video, this stock is headed to the moon, literally. What we're currently looking at here is the day chart. As you guys can see here, huge breakout day here on Friday, seeing that high of $6. Now, the reason why this thing is so special here currently, ladies and gentlemen, is due to the high analyst rating that this thing has recently gotten. If we take a brief look and just check out that really quickly, as you guys can see here, we do see a strong buy rating here currently on LUNR. Not only that, those analyst price targets, with the lowest being $8 and the highest being $10. We currently see the share price slightly under $5, which points to this thing being undervalued. And like I said before, this thing is literally headed to the moon. As you guys can see here, shares of space infrastructure technology provider Intuitive Machines were well rocketing higher after the company won more business from the National Astronauts and Space Administration, aka NASA. The company announced that late Thursday that the NASA has awarded it a $117 million contract to deliver 6 science and technology payloads to the moon's south pole. Guys, the launching of satellites is so lucrative. That is why we're seeing big names like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk getting into this space. If we take a brief look and just check out LUNR current market cap, $312 million, and solidifying a $112 million deal is big for a company like this. I do feel as though that this is a great long-term solution for novice traders that is having a hard time in finding the right pick when it comes to picking the right stock. If we take a brief look and check out this thing on the week chart really quickly, as you guys can see here, it looks very, very bullish here on Friday, that retracement from that $6 peak. But I do feel as though that we're headed to a gap fill here in LUNR in the month of September between the share price of $7.63 upwards to $8. And this is just a short-term analysis. I do feel as though that this stock stands a very great chance to cross those $10 levels here before the year is over with, and those levels are sustainable here in LUNR. I do feel as though that we're going to see a market cap here in the company upwards to $800 million here by the end of Q1 2025. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is again, a stock that you do not want to miss out on. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is ASTS, another stock that is headed to the moon. If we do take a brief look and check out the day chart, as you guys can see here, this thing is extremely bullish with its latest and greatest launches to outer space, ladies and gentlemen, and we are seeing a major bull flag form here in ASTS on the day chart. If we take a brief look and just check out the day chart here, as you guys can see here, anytime that this thing actually touches this mid Bollinger Band, it goes and challenges the upper, as you guys can see here. So reading off that pattern, we do expect for ASTS to challenge those $39 levels here in the month of September, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to make a great return for anyone that is looking for a short-term turnaround. As far as ASTS expectations by the end of the year, I do see this stock actually crossing those $6 billion levels in market cap before the end of the year. We should see share prices around $45 here in ASTS. Space Mobile, guys, they are launching, again, satellites in outer space, which is ultimately helping basically mobile device reception, better internet reception, things like that, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said before, the satellite industry is very, very lucrative, and ASTS is one of those up and coming companies that I do feel as though is going to is going to make tailwinds throughout the entire satellite industry. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, these again are 2 stocks that you do not want to miss out on in the month of September. With that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.